Continue with paving our terrace. So far I have put in and compressed some gravel, then added some sand and made kind of a frame for this area. Next I want to fill it up, but I will also try to mix in some other stones and colors in order to get a really unique look. Unique or stupid? That's going to be the question. When working with natural stones, the uppermost centimeters of the bedding have to be somewhat loose, so it's no problem to work from the not yet finished side. Until the joints are filled, the stones can still wiggle and shift, so it would not yet be a good idea to walk on them. With these artificial stones, it's just the other way around, but we'll come to that. That's about 6 square meters. Let's see how long this will take me. Okay, now that I've got a somewhat straight line, it does not look too straight on the screen actually. It's just about laying one row after another. Of course, I try to always have an overlap so the joints from adjacent rows do not line up. But with natural stones it still would not be too big of a problem as long as the cross joints do not go over more than 3 rows or so at most. Sand helps stabilizing the already paved area. Super! Ja, das machen wir noch. Autumn is also a great time for planting, which for 2 weeks now got in my way a little. If you want to see me plant a tree, please click this video. But now for paving. For getting rocks into the right shape, instead of cutting, it's better to be splitting. Damn it. This is how it looks now. For this last patch here, I certainly want to use some more of these yellow stones because I think they look amazing in the porphyry, at least when it's not bone dry like here. I just don't know how to fit everything together yet. Let's see. Okay, maybe it could work something like this. I want to use these yellow ones on the edges, on the border, because they're a little bit more shallow, which is what I need in this area. Let's try. Okay, so putting the stones like this could as well work, so I'll go with this. Okay, only problem is that there's no place for me left anymore, but yeah. Okay. Come back here. And there will be something like this. It's about midnight now. Okay, 6 p.m, but enough for today. Should be just a matter of getting them to the right height. And if everything works out, the best thing is I don't even have to cut a single one of them. And then it hit me. Hit my finger. This even bleeds through the gloves. Ouch. Okay, maybe apart from a few red dots from my finger, I think that looks alright. And here again in daylight. It looks like I paved an owl. So let's fill its ears. Or eyes. Maybe even some yellow stones first. All right. To finish the first patch, I still need to fill up this area on the border. I left it out so far in order not to collide with these wedges of concrete, which are supposed to hold the clinker brick stairs in place and are beveled slightly outwards, so there would be too little space for the 10 centimeter deep porphyries. so I'll be using the smaller cubes of granite instead. Amazing how this works out, somehow at least every time. I really like working with natural stone. I do set these a little bit deeper than this level because I don't know if I can reach them with the machine to press them down in the end. So yeah, they should have the final level right away. I was wondering why I'm finding sunflower seeds in here all the time, but here I've got the suspect. A birdhouse my wife just installed right about this spot. Next time I will tackle laying these concrete stones here, which is a completely different kind of work. But I look forward to be learning by doing this also. But now I really have to get my kids from kindergarten. How late is it actually? Okay, see ya!